Hello. Hello. .NET Framework. Today we discuss the .NET Framework is a software development platform developed by Microsoft. The framework was meant to create applications which would run on the Windows platform. The first version of the .NET Framework was released in 2002. The version was called .NET Framework 1.0. The framework has come long way since then, and the current version is 4.7.1. The .NET Framework can be used to create both form-based and web-based applications. Web services can also be developed using the .NET Framework. The framework also supports various programming languages such as Visual Basic, C#, .NET. Can choose and select the language to develop the required application. Here we discuss .NET Framework. So as you see the .NET Framework architecture, there are multiple languages we can select from the framework like VB.NET, C#.NET, J#.NET, and many more languages, which is known as a language specification. So in a framework, we need a language specification to run multiple languages. Then another term in a framework is a common type system, which provide multiple type system to run any application in the .NET framework. An important part in .NET Framework is a class library. A class library means a services which is provided to any application which run in a .NET Framework. .NET Framework provides a web-based application and traditional platform, that is Windows Forms and a console-based form. So in a framework 1.0, the addition of a .NET, that is a network applications in a framework with a console-based applications and Windows-based application, that is a form-based applications. Also, in .NET Framework, we support ADO.NET, that is a database support database applications. It also supports .NET remoting applications in a framework. The main part of the .NET Framework is common language runtime, which provide runtime services to any application like just-time compiler, garbage collector, security manager, and so on. So when we run any application under a framework, it provides services to the common language runtime. So these are the .NET framework in detail. Also, we can say the common language runtime or interface provide a .NET program executed. The common language interface has the features like exception handling. Exception handling nothing but the errors which occur when the application is executed in a framework. Also, it provides a garbage collection. A garbage collection is a process of reviewing unwanted resources which is not required for longer time. Then we can say if we working with multiple languages, how that languages will run in a same platform or single platform. So suppose there is a VB.NET, they have provide a .NET compiler, and which is mean a common language interpreter. So each language have its own compiler. So it is easily working with the .NET framework. And as we know, developer can choose a variety of .NET programming languages. He can choose any language which provide to its own compiler. So it is easy. So as we see, the first level in a programming language, the common one is VB.NET or C#.NET and compiler provided to this discuss earlier. Second part is a class library, which is known as FCL or BCL. So framework class libraries are include a set of standard libraries, the number of libraries or methods or collection of functions which provide for applications. For example, if we use file level operations, so there are methods we can use to read a text from file. Similarly, there is a method to write a text from file. So these all provided by the class libraries. Third part is the languages. So the types of the application that can be built in the .NET framework is classified into the following category, that is Windows Form or ASP form. Windows Forms, there's a desktop based application which would run under a client based applications. And in ASP.NET, we can use web-based applications which is made run on a browser, that is the Internet Explorer or any network applications. The web application would process on the server, which would have internet information service, which is installed at the time of installation. So it is called as IaaS, which is a server which is required to run any network application, that is web-based application in a .NET framework. The ISS is also known as a Microsoft component, which is used to execute any ASP.NET application. The result of the execution is then sent to client machine and the output is shown on the browser. As a ADO.NET, we can develop application to interact with database such as SQL Server, Oracle, like this way. So as we know, it's a start with 1.0, that is framework 1.0, and now we working with 4.7.1. So these are some versions or CLR versions of framework of a .NET. So thanks. This is all about the framework. We can discuss in a next lecture.